Hey, lovelies, welcome back to Beaming Beauty. Today, we're sharing our top Vaseline hacks to transform your beauty routine. From glowing skin to flawless makeup, we've got you covered. Makeup hacks. Makeup remover, use Vaseline to gently remove stubborn lip and eye makeup. Foundation primer, apply Vaseline for a smooth canvas, apply a thin layer, let it absorb, and then apply foundation for flawless coverage. Eyeliner helper, apply Vaseline to eyelids before eyeliner. Vaseline helps eyeliner glide smoothly and prevents smudging. Concealer, mix Vaseline with concealer for a creamy texture. Mix equal parts Vaseline and concealer. Apply under eyes, blend, and set with powder. Mascara booster, coat lashes with Vaseline before mascara. Vaseline lengthens and thickens lashes. Apply mascara immediately after. Highlighter, apply Vaseline to cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Vaseline gives skin a natural glow. Blend well for seamless application. Glowing skin hacks. Dark spot treatment, apply Vaseline to dark spots and cover with a band-aid overnight. Vaseline helps reduce inflammation and fade dark spots. Repeat for 3 to 4 nights for optimal results. Skin toner, combine Vaseline with rosewater and witch hazel. Mix equal parts Vaseline, rosewater, and witch hazel. Apply with a cotton pad to balance skin pH. Exfoliating scrub, mix Vaseline with sugar and lemon juice for a gentle exfoliant. Use 2 parts Vaseline, 1 part sugar, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Massage onto skin, rinse, and reveal smooth skin. Smooth feet, cracked feet with Vaseline, coconut oil, and lemon juice for soft, and apply to rough skin on feet. Cover with socks overnight. Blackhead remedy. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline to nose, cover with a warm cloth, and let sit for 10 to 15 minutes to help remove blackheads. Smooth lips, dab Vaseline onto lips before bed to lock in moisture and soften. Skin brightener, mix Vaseline with lemon juice and turmeric powder. Mix 1 part Vaseline, 1 part lemon juice, and a pinch of turmeric powder. Apply, massage, and rinse for a brighter complexion. Soft cuticles, massage Vaseline onto cuticles to moisturize and promote nail growth. Longer lashes, mix equal parts coconut oil and Vaseline. Apply to lashes before bed to promote growth and strength. Did you know you can combine Vaseline with other products for amazing results? 1. Vaseline plus coconut oil hydrates and nourishes skin. 2. Vaseline plus honey soothes and moisturizes skin. 3. Vaseline plus lemon juice brightens and evens skin tone. 4. Vaseline plus turmeric powder reduces inflammation and dark spots. If you have any favorite Vaseline hacks or questions, leave them in the comments below. Share this video with your friends and family who love beauty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.